Let's see how intelligent you are. We will ask you 20 general knowledge questions, the answer to which you get the answer. Comment and subscribe to our channel Brainy Rocket. So let's started. Question number 1. What belongs to you but is used more by others? Your name. What has a neck but no head? A bottle. What can you hold on your left hand but not in your right hand? Your right hand. What gets sharper the more you use it? Your brain. What is so light even the strongest person can't hold it for long? Your breath. What has ears but can't hear? The corn. What has 4 eyes but can't see? Mississippi, the world. What comes once in a year, twice in a week, and never in a day? The letter E. What has teeth but can't bite? A comb. What has a head and a tail but no body? A coin. What is always running but never gets tired? A clock. What goes through cities and fields but never move? A road. What has keys but can't open doors? A piano. What is easy to get into but hard to get out of? The trouble. What has a beginning but no end? A circle. What has a face but can't smile? A clock. What has a spin but no bones? A book. What comes to life when you feed it but dies when you give it a drink? Fire. What can be broken without being touched? A promise. Thanks for watching.